Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's raining in the background and I hope you guys can hear me clearly. However, I decided to recreate this goddess braid that I did for the carnival launch. And yeah, so I decided to do it, and stay tuned for the video. If you like this hairstyle, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, a big thumbs up guys. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if you guys love this hairstyle. So this is what I decided to do for today. It's very simple, very easy, quick, and very inexpensive protective hairstyle for your natural hair. So let's get right into the video.
So we're going to start by using the Realistic brand. It's like $2 hair. And I decided to use this because I used the Expressions hair before and it was too heavy. So using this hair is really lightweight and you don't even feel it. So we're going to start by securing that in the middle and looping it with a regular hair tie. You can hook this on a doorknob, on a handle, or anything like that to begin braiding your pony. Then you're going to split it in 3 even sections to begin braiding. Once you begin braiding your hair, you have to ensure that you're not braiding it too tight or too loose. As you can see how I'm braiding, I'm kind of fluffing it as I go. Like I'm kind of like pushing it up a bit as I braid. That way it will look not too tight and not too loose, as well as give it a nice natural type of look. You don't want it to look fakey, you know what I mean? Then you're going to secure the bottom, but you don't have to braid it all the way at the end, but as low as possible. You're going to secure it with a rubber band, as you can see on the screen. Now I'm going to start opening up that braid just a tad bit more to make it look a little bit more, you know, natural. It doesn't have to be neat, but you want all hair secured. So I'm going to take these accessory gold strings and I'm going to double it and then tie a knot. So what you're going to do is start to hold one part of the string, a little piece, and then start wrapping. And then you're going to wrap right over that piece that you started the wrap with, if you understand. And then you're just going to wrap all the way down as far as you want to take it, or as long as you want your gold accessory to be. Then you're going to secure that by knotting it. I knot and tuck under another part of the string. That's what I do to hide it. Then I'm going to take my shears or scissors and clip the bottom to give it a nice, even, cute Jasmine and Aladdin type of look. I didn't want it to be like the curly goddess braid, but I just wanted that cute, you know, Pocahontas type of vibe look. That's what I wanted. So going on to fixing my low bun, there is a full video on my channel, one of my top viewed videos. You can see the full video in this playlist, and in the cards above I should be showing that tutorial, or the link for it at least. So I'm parting my hair in the middle. You can do whatever you like, side part, middle part, no part, it's totally up to you. And to put my hair in a low full bun or a low bun, I decide I have to section my hair so that I can get so it can be most flat. So making sure that my hair is detangled and I'm putting the necessary stuff in it to keep it healthy, like leave-in and whatnot. My hair is going to turn white. However, if you're going to do this hairstyle, I suggest doing your pony the night before, setting it, wait a few hours, then putting your pony on. But for the sake of the video, I just decided to do it right away. I just set it just maybe for 10 minutes and place the pony. So because I want my ponytail to lay on this side, I'm going to put my rubber band on from this way. And you're going to see the reason why right now. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to open up and I'm going to
lift and flip. Lift, flip, and then you're gonna start pinning the hair. You're gonna begin to pin the hair over your
pony. You can secure it with however many bobby pins that you want. It's not hard. It's very, very simple. This is one of the most cheapest, easiest hairstyles ever. Now you're gonna accessorize it with any accessories you like. Initially, I use strings throughout, but that is a little bit more work. You're gonna have to crochet the strings in, but when you do it like this, it's so much easier to just add the jewelry. This can be super, super cute without the jewelry as well, and just the string at the end. But that is it. That is totally it for this video. Very simple, easy, cute hairstyle. Very spring, summer hairdo that I would wear and rock anytime. With or without the jewelry, you can wear it. If you have work or something like that, you don't have to accessorize it, but get into this look. It is a look. That red lip is fire with this ponytail. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you're feeling this hairstyle and all of the recent uploads. Don't forget to share this video. It helps me out a lot. Bye guys.
Yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full.